In last trimester of pregnancy, fetus is well positioned with little space to move around, allowing her to push against the walls of the womb that helps to strengthen her muscles and develop tone. Also, well-flexed and curled-up position in womb with hands and feet in midline facilitates frequent hand-to-mouth, soothing activities which are stimulating for her brain development. However, when born preterm, they have to be nursed on a flat surface with no boundaries to secure them. They tend to assume an extended posture with hands away from mouth, limiting their comforting hand-to-mouth activity. Prolonged periods in these positions result in flattening of head, asymmetry of face, reduced muscle strength, and tightness of body. These effects can delay their milestones as well as interfere with their learning skills. Hence, proper positioning and handling of a preterm is important for their optimal neurodevelopment. In this video, we will learn about methods to ensure proper positioning and handling of preterms. The primary step is to provide a secure snugly fit boundary, that is nesting, before appropriate positioning can be done. Let us learn how to make a good nesting and then position the baby within this nest. Roll and tape a clean, thick sheet, placing it under the baby's head. Keep the head midline, shoulders forward, and arms close to the mouth. Bring the lower limbs toward the midline, hips slightly folded, knees up, and feet against the boundary. Adjust as needed. Remove boundaries as the baby matures. Now, let's look at the various nursing positions. Lying on the back. Side lying. Tummy position. Lying on back position is a commonly practiced position. This position allows ease of clinical monitoring and provision of respiratory support. In side lying position, baby has a rounded back, legs folded on the abdomen, and feet against the boundary. This position mimics the fetal position, encourages hand-to-mouth comfort, and improves feeding tolerance. In lying on abdomen, that is tummy position, the arms and legs are folded under abdomen, with head turned to one side and hands near mouth. Nesting should maintain legs close to each other. A small roll may be placed under baby from head to hips to allow a rounded back. The baby should be supervised and frequently checked for any signs of discomfort. This position promotes better sleep, digestion, breathing, and hand-to-mouth self-calming. Baby's positions should be changed every 3 to 4 hours, clustering with other routine caregiving activities given at the same time. Apart from positioning, appropriate handling during activities of daily living also provides a secure feeling to preterm babies. Handling should occur during awake periods, starting with containment. Gently place one hand on the head and the other on the lower back, buttocks, and soles. For transfers from or to the cot, such as for KMC, bend over the cot and lift the baby close to your chest, supporting the back and neck to avoid sudden movements. During diaper changes, hold the baby's legs bent on her abdomen, avoiding raising the feet too high to prevent pressure on the brain or feed regurgitation. To recap, ensure well-fitted nesting. Change positions every 3 to 4 hours and handle preterm babies gently. These practices optimize musculoskeletal development and support neurodevelopment.